Hello, and welcome to Look Alive with the Delaware Museum of Natural History. I'm your host, Caroline Elson, and today we're going to be taking a look at flatworms. They're flat, they're worms. A lot of what you need to know about them is right there in the name. Flatworms kind of look like what you'd get if you steamrolled an earthworm. They're long, wriggly invertebrates. They have no bones and soft bodies, but they're not actually all that closely related to earthworms at all. Flatworms and earthworms are less like siblings and more like very distant cousins that see each other once every other year at a family reunion. In fact, flatworms and earthworms don't get along well at all. They're both pretty harmless looking, so I was really surprised to learn that flatworms are actually vicious predators. And one of their favorite prey? Earthworms. Yeah, this looks like a ribbon, but it's a ribbon that can take down an earthworm 100 times its size. We're looking at the flatworm species Bipalium adventitium. It's a member of the hammer-headed flatworms, which are hammer-headed worms named for their hammer-shaped heads. They're native to Asia, but through global plant trade, they've spread across the United States, preying on earthworms as they go. If you have exotic plants in your yard, like this, odds are pretty good that one of them is hosting a hammer-headed flatworm. This one looks okay though. Flatworms are everywhere. They're in oceans, in lakes, on land, and inside 200 million humans at any given point. Whether they're massive or microscopic, bright or dull, parasitic or harmless, all 29,000 species of flatworms are predators, and all 29,000 species are, of course, flat. Flatworms are flat for a reason. Their bodies are thin to allow nutrients and gases to diffuse in and out, without the need for a complicated circulatory system or respiratory system. So they don't have lungs, they don't have kidneys, they don't have a brain or a full gut. They have a mouth, which also functions as their anus. Yep, flatworms are all about keeping it simple. They've had the same shape for the past 550 million years. Over those 550 million years, they've evolved special mucus glands known as rhabdites, which keep them extra slimy. Flatworms get a bad rap because, in addition to the whole slime thing, certain types of flatworms are responsible for some pretty rough human diseases, including schistosomiasis and all of the nastiness caused by capeworms. But we actually have flatworms to thank for some of the advances in modern medicine and biological science. Flatworms are, hands down, some of the best animals at regeneration on the planet. If you cut a flatworm in half, each half will grow into a perfectly healthy new worm. You can cut a flatworm in 273 pieces and still make new worms. Because of their abilities, certain species of flatworms are used for studying cancer treatment and limb regrowth in humans. Thanks so much for watching, and if you see a flatworm, be sure to look alive.